The great thing about iMedia is that it brings together all of these different viewpoints and all of these different skill sets.
We want to be able to respond quickly to changes in the industry and new technologies and new platforms.
In the iMedia class, we develop applications for different platforms to deliver news, entertainment, sports, and weather.
But it allows us to be pretty nimble and respond quickly. So the iPad comes out, okay, cool, we're doing an iPad project.
This year, for the iMedia project, we are developing a native iPad application for Ball State SportsLink. This native iPad application is used to stream videos, picture slideshows, and text-based stories that SportsLink students have produced.
We had a built-in group from sort of the video production aspect of it and the sports news production aspect, in that we were using product and content that was already being developed by the group of students that are involved with SportsLink.
From the design perspective, I had 6 design students, 3 grad students and 3 undergrad students, and their job was to design some prototypes for what SportsLink could look like in an iPad app.
We had done designs for TV and implemented it. We had done designs for the small screen, the phones, and implemented it. The iPad is somewhere in between. So that was a design challenge for the design students, and then implementing it again. The students had never implemented or deployed and developed a native iPad app.
We also had what we call our revenue producing team.
And we are looking at the revenue opportunities for this app. Then we went through an analysis with the SportsLink folks of saying, what do you think would work best with the type of sponsors you do have? And then, what are the type of sponsors / advertisers in the market here in Muncie that you may want to try to attract? And then when we actually ended up producing an iPad media kit that you can then take to potential sponsors or advertisers, what an ad would look like, what a sponsorship would look like.
The grant allowed us to have all of the necessary faculty that we needed to really make this project hum. We don't operate in a cocoon here. We are teaching people to leave the halls of Ball State University and to be able to be productive, and so that's something that as faculty we have to prepare them for. So I think that's part of the reason that we always are thinking about industry and how would we do this in the real world, so to speak.